Hey guys, welcome back to That's Expensive Fix. So today's video we have a 2014 Ford F150 EcoBoost twin turbo V6. So I have an issue with this car. My friend changed the engine. Somebody changed the engine for them for cheap, and we have a problem. So the code is P0299 or something wrong with the turbo, or maybe the EcoBoost, the what they call the open valve, or anything, or hose leaking. We don't know what's the issue. So I figured out how to fix this problem. If you have the same problem, today I'm gonna show you everything, how to change or to fix the problem. It's easy, guys, and most mechanics never gonna be taught you that. I gotta show you how to do that. So stay with me, guys, and don't forget, if you like the video, of course, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that, we keep showing more tricks. Stay with me, guys. So guys, the problem for this car is really easy, but the problem for the V6, the twin turbo, this always has a problem. So some issue, gonna start show you issue be how you gotta be fix the problem. Sometimes is the sensor here, the open valve for the turbo, they go directly to the fan for the turbo. This one, it could be a vacuum leak here in the hose. It could be a vacuum leak. It could be that one is bad too, and it could be this one is common. And Ford is common on this hose. Sometimes the clip get loose, or somebody that doesn't tie it right, so they can give you that code too. So this is not the scenario for this car. So we keep looking for the turbo, especially on this side here. So somebody told me there's a leak, but there is no leak. The problem was, so for those engine, the common engine for this code, any dealership is never gonna tell you what's the issue. So the issue, guys, is this hose over here. See the air filter box, and underneath of it there is a hose, and the hose go directly to this side here. See here, this one. So what we found out, whoever replaced the engine, this one, he broke it. He broke this hose here, this vacuum, they break it, the one coming from other sides. So he broke this one, and now what I did, until we gotta be changed the whole thing, because he break it. So we put some hose and we put silicone to tie it like that, there is no air leaking. And we found out this one was unplugged. So if you have a vacuum leak, you gotta give you the same code. So we've put some silicone, we unplug this one back, we reset the code, and we drive. After we drive, the code go away. Most people gotta put that back. When you set the light, you gotta keep showing up in your OBD. After you put it back, you gotta keep showing up on OBD. But to reset the code, drive the car for a day. After that, go check the code. If they still have the code, it may be something else. So start step by step. So if you find a vacuum leak or anything that is not in a place, so make sure you put it back, and make sure all the plugs in the car is correctly places. And that's it. After we put that one back, we have no code anymore. So we fixed the issue. That was an easy job, guys. So if you like the video, guys, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that, we keep showing more tricks. Thank you, guys.